Hello, welcome to our channel once again. If today is your first time of watching our video, I urge you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will be getting detailed information concerning solar energy. You learn from the scratch to the professional level. You can share the information to anyone by learning and doing it yourself. I promise you, we always drop you with a value that you can never forget to share with anybody. Today, I want you to follow me as I take you to the basic calculations that you need to know as an installer when running your solar installation. Or perhaps you are in the business of solar, there are basic calculations you need to know and have the fundamental knowledge of this calculation that will help you to do very well in your solar business. Likewise, as an installer, you need to know all these calculations in order to be able to give your client a proper quotations or estimate regarding the costing and also for the efficiency delivery of your installations. So this topic is very important. I'll be outlining the calculations that you need to know, whereas after the outline, I'll be taking them one after the other to give you the required information, the required steps to take in making these proper calculations without mistake. And today I want to take you to the drawing board by showing you the basic calculations that you need to know before we can take them one after the other. One of the things you need to know when running calculations is that there are basic calculations you need to know when running your installations, and these calculations is what I'm here to mention to you. We have what we call solar energy efficiency calculations. Then we have another calculation that you need to know, which is net metering calculations. We have another important calculation that you need to equally understand, which is what we call solar energy production calculations. We have shared analysis calculations. We have angle. This is for the installers. Angle calculations. We have the most important one for every installer and for everyone that goes into installations and equally goes into contract with this sector. So what we call battery bank sizing calculations. These calculations is very important to everyone that wants to go into solar installations or you want to start a solar business. Now, there is something that you must understand. If you are going into sales or you want to invest your money into this, there's one basic calculation that you need to know, which is what we call return on investment calculation, which is ROI. So this is very important to everyone that wants to invest, for the investors, for the distributors, for the marketers. This is where they fall in. But for this is basically for the installers. This is also basically for an installer, a solar engineer that wants to do very well in the efficiency of the job. You must be able to understand these basic facts, this, and equally know your battery bank sizing and the shared analysis. This has to do with the weather conditions. Then this has to do with the appliances, knowing your load in the house and other things. But I'll be taking them one after the other. But this is just to give you a guideline on what we are about to teach. So if you are here, or probably today is your first time of watching this video, I want you to know that I am ready to teach you this. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the and through our notification button, you will see when our video will pop up for dates, and we'll be uploading this in a short period of time. So all you need to do is keep on being available in this channel as we release it per time. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video as I take this class one after the other. Thank you.